For over 2 decades, if you needed a small camera that you could use underwater for some impossible shots that bigger cameras couldn't do, or just something for social media, the GoPro is the answer. Despite not being a product that you would update all the time, and you wouldn't really use that often, the company still has been successful over the years. But of course, with that certain product, branching out is not a bad idea. But sometimes it doesn't always go as planned, and that's what happened with the GoPro Karma. So let's find out what happened to GoPro's drone. In early 2016, the Karma was revealed alongside the Hero 5 and the Gimbal. Just weeks after the product had launched, GoPro announced a recall for the drones. It appears in a small number of cases, Karmas would lose power mid-operation and just fall from the sky. In total, 2,500 drones were recalled, costing the company $80 million in the holiday season. And then in February of 2017, the drones were back on the market. Compared to the DJI Mavic, the video quality actually looked pretty good for the Karma, and reviews were pretty solid for the drone. There were complaints about battery life and not having as many features as DJI's drones, but the attitude from the public was one of hopefulness. The potential for future and more improved Karmas seemed to be the excitement and anticipation that customers were waiting for. But sadly, that excitement would be cut short. In January of 2018, GoPro discontinued the Karma, after only being on the market for about a year and some change. This is because in their fourth quarter report for 2017, sales were below what was expected. The company made $340 million compared to their projected $480 million, and I'm sure that the actual numbers for the drone sales were bad. It didn't help that DJI was only getting more and more foothold of the market, and their drones were beginning to look a lot better than the Karma, and that really was the key for the downfall of the Karma. It just wasn't something that GoPro wanted to focus on because it really wasn't an accessory. It was a whole new product line and a whole new industry, and I think this might be why compared to the Mavic Pro, it fell on some important key points. GoPro may not have been looking to compete with other drones. They were really just making an accessory for the GoPro. The Mavic Pro was more compact, had better battery life, and the drones that came after would have equally better camera quality, if not better. Despite that, GoPro as a company actually seems to be doing better than before. Their product line is still strong, with those wanting to do travel vlogs, record their own shots and stunts, the rise of short video mediums like TikTok, all are equating to GoPro still having a steady line of income. And although DJI has their own action camera, it is definitely not having the same sales numbers as the GoPro, which shows that both companies are at a stalemate in their own industries. It seems like nowadays creators are using both of their products for their own different professions. And I could see where they were going with this, but it doesn't work. And that's basically all there is to say about this.